China has just crossed a line that could redefine modern warfare, that it tested the MD-19, a rocket-powered hypersonic drone, capable of speeds beyond Mach 5, and operations near the edge of space. This isn't a concept, it's flying now, able to launch mid-air, evade radar, and carry out missions autonomously. The MD-19 is designed to outmaneuver satellites and overwhelm defenses. In this video, we'll explore the technology behind it and how it fits into China's broader military strategy. The MD-19 hypersonic drone is one of the most advanced aerial reconnaissance platforms ever unveiled by China, building upon the MD-22 testbed revealed at Zhuhai Air Show 2022. This new drone showcases revolutionary features in both design and performance. The drone measures between 8 and 11 meters in length and is estimated to be capable of flying above Mach 5, placing it squarely in the hypersonic category. At these speeds, it becomes nearly invulnerable to interception by current generation air defense systems. Its high-altitude capabilities allow it to operate in what's referred to as near space, well above conventional aircraft but below orbital satellites, giving it a strategic sweet spot for stealthy surveillance. From a design perspective, the MD-19 shares several traits with its predecessor, the MD-22. It features a wedge-shaped fuselage that minimizes aerodynamic drag delta wings to generate lift and maintain stability at high speeds, and canard vertical fins, a stealth feature also seen in modern fighter jets. However, what truly sets it apart is the absence of air intakes, strongly implying the use of liquid-fueled rocket propulsion instead of jet engines. This gives it explosive takeoff velocity and performance that altitudes jet engines cannot reach. The MD-19 is designed for air launch, meaning it can be deployed mid-flight from carrier platforms like the TB-00. For now, the MD-19 represents another major step forward for China's hypersonic program. With its reusable design and flexible deployment options, it highlights how quickly China is closing the gap, and perhaps even setting new benchmarks in the hypersonic arms race. Currently, there are no widely known drone technologies that combine the ability to fly at hypersonic speeds and then land horizontally. The concept behind such a capability is still in its early stages of development. However, there are various technologies and ideas being explored that could potentially enable such platforms in the future. Horizontal landing is the real game changer here. Most hypersonic platforms are single-use. They either burn up in the atmosphere or are destroyed on impact. The MD-19 rewrites that playbook. After being launched into the air and achieving hypersonic speeds, it has the ability to slow down, stabilize, and land on a conventional runway. This isn't just an innovation, it's a massive logistical advantage. China continues to push the boundaries of hypersonic technology. The latest test of the MD-19, an aircraft dropped from a TB-001 drone, capable of reaching hypersonic speeds and then landing horizontally on a runway, is a technological breakthrough worth closer examination. China's military aerospace sector appears to have reached a major milestone with its MD-19 hypersonic drone, a platform that reportedly can achieve horizontal landings after reaching hypersonic speeds. A recently surfaced video offers a glimpse of this cutting-edge system, shedding light on its deployment and key design features. The MD-19 was shown being air-launched from a Tengdan TB-001, a medium-altitude long-endurance combat drone developed by Sichuan Tengdan. This method of launch highlights China's increasing ability to combine unmanned platforms with hypersonic technology, offering greater operational flexibility while reducing energy costs and risks compared to traditional takeoffs. What makes the MD-19 truly noteworthy, however, is its ability to land horizontally on a conventional runway after completing its mission. This capability, a world first for a hypersonic aircraft configuration, according to Chinese sources, could represent a major step forward in reusability and operational efficiency. Most hypersonic test vehicles are single-use platforms destroyed after completing their flights. The MD-19, on the other hand, appears to transition from hypersonic to subsonic flight and land safely. This not only reduces development costs but also allows for repeated testing, which is crucial for refining hypersonic technologies. The MD-19's aerodynamic design reflects its high-speed role. Its elongated narrow nose and streamlined fuselage minimize drag and manage shockwave formation, while its sharply angled vertical stabilizers enhance control and stability at extreme speeds. Notably absent are air intakes, indicating the likely use of a rocket engine rather than an air-breathing scramjet, a common approach for early hypersonic test platforms. One of the video's standout moments shows the MD-19 being released from near-orbital altitude using a high-altitude balloon. This suggests the platform is being tested under varied conditions to assess its performance across different phases of flight. The exact timing of these tests remains unclear, though some reports suggest they may have started as early as 2020. The TB-001 drone's role as a carrier also adds a layer of tactical versatility, acting as a launch platform. The TB-001 can deploy the MD-19 deep into contested airspace, while maintaining a lower profile, reducing the risk of early detection and interception. Now that the trade war between the United States and the People's Republic of China has reached its peak, it's worth reflecting on how trade wars often harbinger real wars. Right on cue, China is taking steps that suggest a great power preparing for war. Worse still, China, unlike the United States, has a decisive advantage in manufacturing. Moreover, it has a sophisticated technology sector that is at least on par with the West in some key areas. The latest news from China suggests that Beijing continues to exploit its advantage over Uncle Sam. Enter the MD-19 hypersonic drone. All about China's MD-19 drone, a compact unmanned aerial system capable of speeds in excess of Mach 7. The MD-19 is a milestone in hypersonic flight, and it has made waves around the world, especially at the Pentagon. It can fly at speeds in excess of 3,800 miles per hour, while retaining the ability to slow down, shift to subsonic speeds, and land horizontally on standard runways. The MD-19 is a significant engineering feat, as the transition from hypersonic to subsonic flight requires sophisticated flight control systems, adaptive aerodynamics, and materials capable of withstanding extreme thermal and mechanical stress. The drone's wedge-shaped fuselage, delta wings, and cantilevered vertical tail reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds, while its engines, likely rocket engines, provide the thrust needed to fly at hypersonic speeds. Of course, such engines could limit the drone's endurance, especially when compared to the scramjet-powered alternatives of other hypersonic competitors. A key feature of the MD-19 is its incorporation of advanced artificial intelligence (AI) that mimics natural decision-making. Processes this AI-driven autonomy allows the drone to navigate complex flight paths, making it a potential game-changer in unmanned systems. In building the drone, the Institute of Mechanics at the Chinese Academy of Sciences and the Guangdong Academy of Aerodynamics Research, its two primary developers, built on years of research, including testing in the JF-12 hypersonic wind tunnel, one of the world's most advanced facilities for simulating high-speed flight. U.S. defense contractors lose to China's public-private partnership. The synergy between academia, industry, and the military underscores China's cohesive approach to technological innovation. It has been one of the main reasons why China maintains a competitive edge over the United States in key domains of technological innovation. China's new hypersonic drone successfully landed horizontally in 2020, making the system a remarkable feat. High-definition footage released by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, CASC, an arm of the NEBAR ruling Communist Party, highlighted China's progress in mastering hypersonic technology. Unlike the drone's larger predecessor, the MD-22, the MD-19's compact size enhances its agility and cost-effectiveness, making it a versatile platform for both military and civilian applications. With a hypersonic drone in its arsenal and the potential to mass-produce these systems like sausages, China has scored a clear victory over the United States. The MD-19 can be armed with conventional warheads, but is likely nuclear-capable, or at least easily nuclear-capable. Its ability to travel at Mach 7 over long ranges, along with its dynamic maneuverability, bolstered by claims that it is controlled by an advanced AI system, would prove challenging to existing U.S. air defenses. Hypersonic drones pose a real threat to America as China develops and deploys the MD-19. It will refine this advanced system over time. The MD-19 could serve as a testing ground for a number of China continues to push the boundaries of hypersonic technology. The latest test of the MD-19, an aircraft dropped from a TB-001 drone capable of reaching hypersonic speeds and then landing horizontally on a runway, is a technological breakthrough. Worth closer examination, China's military aerospace sector appears to have reached a major milestone with its MD-19 hypersonic drone, a platform that reportedly can achieve horizontal landings after reaching hypersonic Speed's a recently surfaced video offers a glimpse of this cutting-edge system, shedding light on its deployment and key design features. The MD-19 was shown being air-launched from a tandem TBS being tested under varied conditions to assess its performance across different phases of flight. The exact timing of these tests remains unclear, though some reports suggest they may have started as early as 2020. The TB001 drone's role as a carrier also adds a layer of tactical versatility, acting as a launch platform. The TB001 can deploy the MD-19 deep into contested airspace while maintaining a lower profile, reducing the risk of early detection and interception. This combination of stealth and strategic reach could make it an ideal delivery system for future hypersonic weapons or reconnaissance missions. From a tactical perspective, the MD-19 could serve as a stepping stone to operational hypersonic platforms. Its current role as a technology demonstrator likely focuses on testing high-speed flight dynamics, thermal management, and recovery procedures. However, the knowledge gained could feed into the development of hypersonic strike vehicles, reconnaissance platforms, or maneuverable warheads capable of penetrating modern air and missile defenses. Whether the MD-19 evolves into a reusable combat drone or remains a test bed, its significance is hard to ignore. The combination of hypersonic performance, air launch capability, and horizontal landing demonstrates China's growing confidence in its hypersonic ambitions. It's a capability few nations can match, and one that could shift the balance in future high-speed multi-domain warfare. For now, the MD-19 represents another major step forward for China's hypersonic program, with its reusable design and flexible deployment options. It highlights how quickly China is closing the gap, and perhaps even setting new benchmarks in the hypersonic arms race. Horizontal landing is the real game changer here. Most hypersonic platforms are single-use. They either burn up in the atmosphere or are destroyed on impact. The MD-19 rewrites that playbook after being launched into the air and achieving hypersonic speeds. It has the ability to slow down, stabilize, and land on a conventional runway. This isn't just an innovation, it's a massive logistical advantage from an engineering standpoint. Transitioning from hypersonic speeds to controlled subsonic flight is no small feat. The MD-19 clearly